Hey guys, welcome to A to Z Analytics. So guys, today we are going to discuss about the Dream 11 match between India versus Australia. So guys, this is the second ODI match between India and Australia guys. So guys, you guys might have seen like in the first ODI our predictions have been worked very well. We have suggested Steve Smith as captain along with Aaron Finch as vice captain. And also guys, we have suggested Hardik Pandya and Marcus Stoinis also in the team. And also guys, we have suggested like Adam Zampa as well. So guys, those who have gone through our prediction video, so they might have win a higher huge amount in the first ODI as well guys. So guys, before watching the video, please like and subscribe the channel guys. So guys, in this video initially we will be discussing about the Dream 11 IPL match between Australia versus India. So guys, we will be discussing about Dream 11 team. Like guys, in this video like we will be discussing about small league team as well as grand league team guys. So guys, after India versus Australia, like after Dream 11 team, we will be discussing about FanFight team as well guys. So guys, basically FanFight is a fantasy cricket gaming app like Dream 11 where we will be having variety of contests like mega contest, iPhone 11 gadget pool and all guys. So guys, I will be discussing about small league as well as grand league team for FanFight as well guys. So guys, please like and subscribe the channel for more upcoming winning teams guys. So guys, let's go and discuss about like match venue details, pitch statistics, player statistics, this choice of captain, vice captain and all guys. So guys, basically this is a match between India and Australia guys, and this match is going to be played on 29 November 2020, and guys the timing is 9:10 a.m. Indian Standard Time, and venue is Sydney Cricket Ground guys. So guys, in the last game we might have seen it is going to be a high scoring game. So like even tomorrow also guys, it is the venue same stadium. So guys, we may expect like the team which is going to be bat first may have high chances of winning even tomorrow also guys. So guys, this is the pitch report for tomorrow's game. So as the surface at Sydney Cricket Ground is batting friendly one, but also offers a good amount of assistance for pacers guys. So guys, it may suggest for like this is very friendly for pacers guys, and also guys we may expect like the average scoring of the ground is 250, and like we may expect the team which is batting first may have better record of winning when compared to the team chasing guys. And also guys, we may expect like this is also going to be a high scoring game like yesterday guys. So guys, this is the venue statistics at Sydney Cricket Ground. So guys, we have total of two, like we have the first innings average score as 250 as of now, but also guys we may expect the first innings total to be more than 300 like as we have seen in the last match guys. And also guys, coming to record of chasing teams at Sydney Cricket Ground, while chasing the teams have won only 41 times guys, while they have lost 47 times while chasing the game guys. So guys, while chasing there is no tie between these two teams in particular ground guys. So as this is the likely playing 11 for India in the second ODI guys. We have Shikhar Dhawan and Mayank Agarwal as openers, followed by Virat Kohli, Shreyas Iyer, KL Rahul, Hardik Pandya, Ravindra Jadeja, Mohammad Shami, Yuzvendra Chahal, Jasprit Bumrah and Navdeep Saini guys. So guys, this is also going to be a game of batsmen, so we will need to select the captain and vice captain choices from the batsman itself guys. And also guys, we might have seen like Yuzvendra Chahal is been bit expensive in the last game. He have conceded 89 runs in his 10 over spell. So you might be a bit conscious while selecting the Yuzvendra Chahal in the team guys. So guys, this is the probable playing 11 for Australia. So guys, we have Aaron Finch and David Warner as openers, followed by Steve Smith, Stoinis, Labuschagne, Glenn Maxwell, Alex Carey, Pat Cummins, Mitchell Starc, Adam Zampa and Josh Hazlewood guys. So guys, we may have seen like top 3 batsmen of Australia performing extremely well in the last game, like Aaron Finch, David Warner and Steve Smith, both 3 have performed very well. And also guys, even Maxwell guys, he have performed extremely well in the last game, like he have scored 45 runs in the 19 balls itself guys. And also guys, coming to bowling section, we have like Josh Hazlewood as a nice option along with Adam Zampa for the Australia guys. So guys, these are the probable playing 11 for India versus Australia guys. So these are the top pick players for Dream 11 for tomorrow's game. We have Virat Kohli, the captain of India, Shikhar Dhawan, Mohammad Shami, KL Rahul. So guys, these are the top pick players from Indian side. And also as coming to Australian side, we have David Warner, Aaron Finch, Steve Smith, along with this Josh Hazelwood, guys. So guys, these 8 players are the top pick players for tomorrow's game, guys. So guys, coming to best choice of captain and vice captain, we have Virat Kohli and David Warner as captains. And also as coming to vice captain point of view, we have like Steve Smith, Shikhar Dhawan, Aaron Finch. So guys, these 3 are the best options of vice captain, and Virat Kohli and David Warner are the best options of captain, guys. So guys, let's go and discuss about Dream 11 team for small league for today's game. So guys, in the wicket keeping section, we have like total of 3 options. Like we have KL Rahul and Alex Carey is expected to play tomorrow's game. And also guys, like we may expect Matthew Wade may replace Alex Carey, but not sure. So these 2 are playing, guys. So as from the wicketkeeper point of view, I'll be going with KL Rahul as the wicketkeeper for tomorrow's game, guys. And also guys, coming to batting point of view, I'll be going with Virat Kohli, David Warner. Along with that, guys, I'll be going with Shikhar Dhawan and Steve Smith, guys. So guys, like these are the 4 options I'll be going in from batting section, guys. So guys, however, you guys may select like Aaron Finch also for the team. And also guys, coming to all-rounder point of view, I'll be going with Marcus Stoinis as well as Ravindra Jadeja, guys. So guys, these are the 2 options I'll be going in from the all-rounder section, guys. And also guys, coming to the bowling section, we have plenty of options. Like we have Yuji Chahal, we have Pat Cummins, we have Mohammad Shami, and we have Jasprit Bumrah, guys. So guys, all are nice options for tomorrow's game. We may select any one of them from the team, guys. So guys, in the bowling section, I'll be going with Jasprit Bumrah, Mitchell Starc, Mohammad Shami. Along with this, guys, we may also like. So guys, you guys may select like Hardik Pandya to the team. Along with that, guys, even Maxwell is also a nice option for the team, guys. And also guys, coming to batting section, we may do one change. Like you guys may drop Shikhar Dhawan, and you guys may take like Aaron Finch or Mayank Agarwal is also fine. So as for this team, I'll be going with Mayank Agarwal. And also as coming to bowling section, we have 9 credits remaining. So we guys may go with Mitchell Starc as well for the team, guys. So Adam Zampa is also a nice option for this game, guys. So guys, in the batting section, instead of Mayank Agarwal, since we don't have credit issue, so we guys may try like one more batsman instead of Mayank Agarwal, who is having 8.5 credit, guys. So guys, we guys may go with like Shikhar Dhawan as a player, but we don't, since we have credit issue, I'll be going with, we guys may try some all-rounder like Jadeja option, guys. So guys, this is the best team for small leagues for Dream 11 for tomorrow's game, guys. So guys, however, like you guys may drop Hardik Pandya and you guys may select like Aaron Finch so that we don't have any credit issue, guys. So guys, or else we may drop Jasprit Bumrah and we may go with Aaron Finch from the batting section, guys. So guys, this is the best fitted team for small league for tomorrow's game. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain point of view, we have plenty of options. Like we have Virat Kohli, we have Steve Smith, Aaron Finch and all, guys. So guys, for tomorrow's game, I'll be going with Virat Kohli as captain, guys, and Steve Smith as vice captain for tomorrow's game, guys. So guys, basically this is a team for small league. So guys, let's create a team for Grand League as well. So guys, in the wicket keeping section, I'll be going with Lokesh Rahul for the Grand League as well, guys. And also guys, coming to batting section, we have plenty of options. Like I'll be going with Virat Kohli, David Warner, Shikhar Dhawan along with Steve Smith, guys. So guys, for the Grand League point of view, I'll be going with these 4 options, guys. And also guys, coming to all-rounder point of view, I'll be going with Ravindra Jadeja as well as Marcus Stoinis, guys. So guys, however, you guys may try Hardik Pandya and Glenn Maxey as well, but I'll be going with these 2 options for Grand League, guys. So guys, coming to bowling section, I'll be going with Jasprit Bumrah, Mohammad Shami, Yuzi Chahal. Along with that, guys, I'll be going with we may have plenty of options, guys. You guys may try like Adam Zampa is also a nice option for us. So you guys may try like Yuzi Chahal along with Adam Zampa. So guys, basically this is the nice team for Grand League. So guys, since we have credit issue, we have dropped so many players, like we have dropped Aaron Finch, Hardik Pandya and all. So guys, however, you guys may take them in the team. So guys, for the Grand League point of view, coming to captain and vice captain, I'll be going with Virat Kohli as captain, guys. Since we will be expecting Virat Kohli to deliver in the second game, so I'll be going with Virat Kohli as captain for Grand League as well as Small League, guys. And also guys, coming to vice captain, like I'll be going with David Warner, guys. So guys, these are the two options of captain and vice captain as we discussed. So guys, I'll be going with these two options, guys. So guys, however, after that, as you guys may choose your team wisely based upon the situation, guys. So guys, let's discuss a fan fight team for tomorrow's game. So guys, in the batting section, I'll be going with KL Rahul, guys. And in the batting section, I'll be going with Aaron Finch, Steve Smith, Shikhar Dhawan as well. Along with that, guys, I'll be going with Virat Kohli. So guys, these are the three options I'll be going in from the batting section, guys. So guys, coming to all-rounder section, we have plenty of options, like we have Hardik Pandya and we have Glenn Maxwell. So guys, these are the two options I'll be going in from the all-rounder section, guys. So guys, coming to bowling section, we have plenty of options, like we have Mohammad Shami, we have Adam Zampa, and also guys, you guys may try like Jasprit Bumrah and Josh Hazlewood as well. So guys, I'll be going with Josh Hazlewood. Along with that, guys, Yuzi Chahal is also a nice option. So guys, I'll be going with Jasprit Bumrah. So guys, since we have few credits left, you guys may drop like Glenn Maxey as well, and you guys may take Aaron Finch, guys. So guys, coming to captain and vice captain point of view, I'll be going with Virat Kohli as my captain and Steve Smith as the vice captain for Grand League as well as Small League, guys. So guys, basically this is the team for Grand League as well as Small League in fan fight. So guys, let's have a team preview first. So guys, basically this is the team preview for Grand League as well as Small League for fan fight, guys. So guys, thanks for watching the video. Please like and subscribe the channel, guys.